Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another day in the source and list challenge. I didn't upload a video yesterday because I only listed 4 items, which is not enough items to make a video out of, and I didn't have any sales to share with you guys, so didn't film a video. I do have the 4 items that I listed on my iPad, on the Poshmark app, whatever. I will show you those so that way you guys can see what I sourced yesterday. And yeah, I will get into today's haul because it's actually a pretty big one. Honestly, the clothes weren't super fire, and then I went through the bras, and then that's where I got most of my inventory from. So let's just get into it. First, let's go over this because this is at the top, and it's kind of like a hard goods item, I should say. So it is this cute little Juicy Couture box. It says Love PNG. No idea what that means, but it's like a terry cloth mini jewelry box. It has that little locket on it. It's not in the very best shape ever, but it's also not in bad shape either. It just needs a little cleaning, a little work done to it. It has cute little keys, Juicy Couture keys. I paid $3 for this. I looked it up online. There you go, little juicy thing. I looked it up online. People are listing them $50 to $60 depending on condition, so that's what I will be doing. I have to research it a little bit more, but it very Y2K is really in right now. Juicy Couture is really in right now, but not current Juicy, right? The old early 2000s Y2K Juicy is in right now, so something like this I feel will do really well. If I was listed on Depop, it would probably do really well there too, but I haven't really been listing on Depop, to be honest, so there's that. And then I have this shirt. Oh, I actually just got this for my boyfriend. It's by the brand Tom James. It's an expensive brand. Resale value is not there, but I got that for him because I thought it was a nice shirt. What else? Okay, these pants I'm really excited about. I don't think it's the correct season for these, so we'll have to see how quickly they sell. I don't know how well they're gonna sell right now, but they're by the brand Maker. They are a US 10 petite, and they are ski pants, snow pants. Are in excellent condition. I paid $2 for these, and the comps seem to be in the $50 to $60 range, so $2 into $50 to $60 is amazing. I don't have to sell them right away, you know what I mean? And they're also in amazing condition, which is why I picked them up. Never heard of that brand Maker. I'm not too familiar with ski wear and stuff like that. I live in Florida, don't know much about it, but I looked up comps. It seemed to be decent. The next item I got is by the brand Zara. This is their most current label, the all capital letters. This is just a muscle tee with shoulder pads. Not gonna lie, the comps on here on this piece in particular aren't amazing, and I've really been trying to focus on high dollar sales and stuff, but I put that in my cart, and I should have taken it out, but I didn't go through the bras yet at that point, and it's a basket. That's why I carried it. I don't have a cart. I have a basket. Anyway, so it's hard to dig through. Anyway, and then when I went through the clothing, I was okay, you know what? The comps on this are not amazing. $20 sale, probably maybe an $18 sale. Not really amazing. Not really what I'm looking for. But I only had 5 other pieces of clothes, and I was bitch, you need to list more. It doesn't matter if you're only gonna profit $8 on it. You just need to get it listed, because I just need listings because I didn't really have a ton of clothes. So that's where the bras came in and saved me. So yeah, this is not ideally what I'm looking for, but it is something I feel will be a fast flip because it's very on trend and fashionable right now. I know it doesn't look like it, but if you look at the stock photos for it, it looks very Pinterest blogger girl style, but not one of those blogger styles that are gonna get you tons of money. Just a blogger style that I feel is gonna sell quick, make quick money, and that's what we're looking for. The next item I got is by the brand Pilcrow in the letterpress, which is an Anthropologie brand. I believe these are a more current style, and they're just pink wide leg crop pants, and they are a size 30. So I had found some other clothing brands these. I looked up. I pretty much, even if I knew the brand, I pretty much try to look up everything by style in the fitting room. I took all the items in there. I try to look everything up by style minus the bras, because I'm really not trying to sell cheap items. I'm really trying to get, if I can't list it for minimum $30, ideally everything would be listed between $35 and $40, but at minimum it has to be listed at least $30 in order for me to want to sell it and put it in my store. So I literally looked up comps on everything, every style, to make sure it was in that range, and I feel I can list these around 50, hope to get 35 to 40. The next item I got is another Anthropologie piece. This is a size extra large. It is by the brand Saturday Sunday by Anthropologie. There's just this cable knit hoodie. Comps on this, I really didn't see much comps on this. I didn't really see any in this particular colorway. I saw some in the red but I definitely think I will get over the $30 price for this, and it's an XL, and I feel like Anthropologie in larger sizes does well because you don't come across them as often, or I don't know if that's just me. But yeah, going back to like what I said, looking everything up, I was really trying not to just auto buy based on brand. Like Chaser is a brand I like to sell. I found a zebra print Chaser shirt as a size 3X, and I was like, okay, put it in my cart. Well, then I go look up the thrift store, Chaser is zebra print shirt. Well, you know what? They were only selling for like $10 to $15, so put that back. Didn't pick that up. And I did that with a couple items, like some things I would generally pick up. I looked up comps, and they were only in like the $15 to $20 range, so I was like, no, not doing that. Okay, the next item I got is by the brand Habitat. I like this brand. This is just like a lag and look brand. This is a blue long sleeve button down. I mean, typically lag and look brands do better in bigger sizes. This is a size smaller size, but still like that brand, picked it up. The next item I have is by the brand Torrid, and this is just this like satin like leopard print button down. It's a size 4X. It's a very trendy, cute Torrid piece. I feel like this will do really well. I love picking up Torrid if I can find it for a decent price. Love to pick it up and put it in my store, and that was $2, and I feel like I'm probably gonna list it like $35, $40, so that's great. The next item I have is by the brand Enza Costa, and this is just like this peach and white striped long sleeve v-neck. This I'll probably list around $35. Expensive brand. Resale value I feel like is all over the place, so I'm gonna price it at $35. And then the last thing I got at that thrift store is all bras, which I will go over, but then they have a Thriftique, which is, so basically the thrift store has a regular thrift store, then they have what they call a Thriftique, where they separate out all their expensive clothes and put it there. There they used to do base pricing and then mark some things up. This time I went in there, everything is priced like on its own, which means they're pricing everything according to like brand. So definitely the prices went up, but I was able to find 3 items that I thought were worth selling. The first was a J. Crew blazer. This one I'm taking a bit of a risk on because it has the style tag cut out, so I wasn't able to look up a specific style, but it's just a J. Crew blazer. I paid $2 for this, but it is a wool blend outer shell, so I thought that would carry it. I looked up comps very briefly on it. Again, I paid $10. I think I can sell it at minimum $40, which would leave me with $32 payout, $22 profit, which I would be happy with. I mean, like, buying something for $10 to sell it at $40, I feel like is like a... but whatever. I just took a risk. I feel like it should do well. Next, we have this. This is a brand. I don't know why. Have I heard of this brand? Have I not heard of this brand? I have no idea. I feel like I've never heard of this brand before, but something in me just knew it was expensive. It's called Anatomy, and it's just this leather vest with these mesh panels on it. This was priced at $40, so I got it for $20, which is a lot, but I definitely think I can sell it in the $100 range. Just based on comps I looked up very briefly, and I didn't look them up on the specific vest. So I guess this does, like, they do athletic vests as well, and the athletic vest that just made out of nylon and shit were getting sold at like in the $100 range, and this has mesh, but it has leather panels on it as well, and the panels are lambskin, so I feel like I could definitely get in 100 or over 100 range, so I paid $20 for that. And then the last thing I got clothing wise before we get into the bras are a pair of Athleta pants. That's what they look like. They're a size 4, and they're just these black pants. These are the Highline hybrid pants. So I looked up they're $5. I looked up the style, put it into like the style number, put that into Google, took the name, put that into Poshmark, and the comps on these are in like the $30 to $40 range, and they're all being listed like $50 and above. So got those, $5. I think that's great. But yeah, again, I'm really trying to look up specific styles. Oh wait, actually I have one more thing. I forgot. Oh no, these I bought for myself. These are new tags, Billabong shorts, and they were originally $49. I paid $5, and they're super cute. They're a size extra small. If they don't fit me, then they will be listed in my store, but I hope they fit me because they're really cute. So I got those. But yeah, I'm really trying to look up specific styles of things to make sure like I'm not just buying things based on brand. Okay, then I got a lot of bras. How many bras did I get? I don't know. Let's count together. So here is the first bra I got. This looks like it has never been worn. It is in excellent, amazing condition. This is by the brand Soma. So when I'm talking about bras and flipping these are a lot easier to process than clothes. I feel like they're easier to list. I feel like the whole experience of selling bras is easier, so I don't necessarily need them to price them at $35 and above. So even if some of these bras get priced at $25, I'm okay with that, just because, like, you know, they're just easier work. But nothing is getting priced in like the $18 range. Okay, so these are, and wait, yeah, nothing is getting priced in the $18 range. Yeah, everything should be minimum with the bras 25 and above, although I didn't look up specific comps and all these things. So we have this Soma bra. It is a size 34D. Again, looks like it's never been worn. Really nice bra. Looks like that. Next, we have this bra, which is by the brand Wackle. Looks like this. Bras are just so easy to list because they have style names that you can look up, and it's just easy, and people know their style, they know their size, they know their brands. This is by the brand Chantel. It is a size 38C, just like a nude bra. These are all in really great condition too. Ugh, I just am so happy I found all these bras. This is by the brand Wackle. Oh, this one has like a little mark on it. It looks like a foundation mark. Anyway, this is a 36D. I'll just have to wash that, but there's no flaws on the outside. That's just on the inner band anyway. And then I have another bra. This is a strapless bra, and it didn't come with a removable strap, so I got it anyway. It's by Soma. It's a 38B. Looks like that. We have another bra. This is by Wackle again. This one is a 40 double D. Nice little black lace bra. Another Soma bra. This is a 34B actually, which is like my size. So maybe I'll try it on. Maybe I'll keep it because I actually kind of need a new bra. And like Soma's a good brand, so I might keep that for myself. We shall see. And then lastly, we have a Wackle bra 38 triple D black bra. So I'm really excited about all those. Those should all sell really well. I'm super excited I found those. Oh wait, I totally forgot. The last thing I got, I have to authenticate it, but it is by the brand Furla. I found this and I was really excited. It's not in the best condition, I'm not gonna lie. It's by Furla. It's a cream purse. There's like a mark right here. Definitely needs some work. I do have like leather cleaners, leather conditioners that I'm going to try to clean it with. And plus I have to authenticate it. I did spend $8 on it, but I kind of just took a risk. And we shall see if it pays off or if it doesn't pay off. But yeah, that is everything I got at the thrift store today. Let me show you guys what I listed yesterday. But yeah, I just want to like get all of this processed and like listed so I can just take a nap. I'm so tired. Literally, I started this book yesterday. After I was done working, done listening, I started this book. I literally read it from probably like 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. In between there, I took like maybe an hour nap and then like another like hour break somewhere in there. But yeah, basically from 5 p.m. to like 2 a.m. I read. And then I woke up and I just like continued reading until like 10:30 a.m. because I just needed to finish this book because it was so good. But now I'm like, oh fuck, I'm tired. Anyway, let's look at the stuff I listed yesterday. Let's go to Just In. Okay, so the first thing I listed was this Moschino dress, Moschino Minnie Mouse dress. This was from an H&M collab. So there you can see H&M Moschino. So that's what it looks like. Very cute. I listed it at $150. So far, it has 3 likes on it. That one I actually didn't source yesterday. I had sourced it previously, like a couple, I don't know, like a month, 2 months ago, but I never listed it because it was a size small, and I was like, oh, I need to wear it first before I list it. And then I had the opportunity to wear it. I put it on, and it looked like a giant tent on me, and it just was not cute. It was way too big. I was like, I don't know what size small this is because this shit is humongo. So yeah, that I never ended up wearing. So I listed it yesterday for $150. I got this at Goodwill. I actually went to 2 thrift stores yesterday. I went to Plato's and I went to Goodwill. I got 2 items at Plato's, 1 item at Goodwill. This is Brooks Brothers Madison Fit blue gray plaid sports coat. I'm not really someone who typically sells like men's blazers and things, but yeah, I got this one at Goodwill. I got it for $11.99 or $12.99. I don't remember. I listed it at $115. The comps were pretty decent on it, which is why I looked it up. So yeah, and it came with the Brooks Brothers hanger, which was nice. So yeah, that one I listed at $115. It has no likes on it yet. I got these at Plato's Closet. These are Show Me Your Moo. They are just like paisley like flare pants. These are a size small. I listed them at $60. They have 1 like on them. And then I got this airy one piece at Plato's for $4. That's that cute little wraparound one. And then I listed this at $40. And so far it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 likes on it, priced at $40. That's what it looks like. airy brown leopard print wraparound full coverage one piece swimsuit in a size medium. So those are what I got yesterday. Like, although I didn't get great quantity, we priced things at minimum 40 and at maximum 150. So I'm happy with that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys tomorrow for my next one. Hopefully I have some sales to report. I have a feeling some of this, like maybe some of the bras, I don't know why, I just have a feeling some of these things are going to pop up in a very soon video, because I feel like some of these things are going to sell really fast. Specifically the bras, maybe the torrid shirt. If I had to guess what was going to sell really fast, it would definitely be the torrid shirt and probably the bras. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe down below if you want to see more of the Source and List Everyday Challenge. And I will see you soon. Bye.